Hi everyone. So it is 6 p.m. here now and I'm cooking some macaroni for Cody. This is his breakfast for tomorrow, but I'm cooking it already, so I will just reheat it tomorrow. So it is almost our dinner time, and the kitchen is quite messy still because still cooking, and so I just put some this bacon and onion. So I don't have spaghetti sauce right now, but I'll be putting tomato sauce instead. Never did that before. This is the first time I'll be trying this. I'm just trying to improvise. Use what I have right now. So tomorrow I'll be ordering some food, frozen vegetables, meat, not frozen, meat, fish. That will be good for a month. Because, you know, we live in a mountain and it is very hard to get everything from here. It'll be ready in 30 minutes.